Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to perform hard reset on your HyperX. You have to start by opening the application and make sure that your headphones is turned on and connected to your PC with a dongle. If you did it, you will see headset here, so just click on it and you will see this menu. Now go to the settings at the at the left bottom, and now scroll down. Right here we have software, and just click on the reset to default. Choose what you wanna reset. I wanna settings and preset, so I'm just leave it here. If you don't need to reset the settings, just uncheck it. And after that, click reset. That's it. Now make a reset. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.